Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add a GIF on your profile, Steam profile, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to the steam.com and you have to log into your account. After log into your account, you can find your account name. Simply click on it and you can find your profile section where you can find all of things that you have right now on your profile label also. So at the right side, you can find the artwork. Simply click on artwork. Now from here you have to simply click on this upload artwork. Simply click on it, or you can find the video section where you can also upload some videos, or you can find some videos that you have on your profile. Now simply click on upload artwork. Now it is from the GIF, so you can get some artwork like animated artwork or any type of JPG artwork from the game. If you search one like Marvel Rivals, just like this, or you can search for anything. So from here you can simply click on not a game specific. So from here you have to give your artwork a title. You can name the titles from here like anything. Then from here select your artwork file. Now you have to simply click on choose file, and from here you have to choose the GIF file that is actually under 5 megabyte. So your file should be cannot access to 5 MB. So you have to put it that here you can see it is allowed GIF file also. If you want to upload it, then you can add some description about that GIF file, and from here make sure that you can add it on to friends only, so the artwork will show to your friends. Now here is rights and ownership. You can simply click on I certified that I create this artwork if you create it, or if you have collected it on from some other sources, then you can you don't need to click on this checkbox here. Now simply click on save and continue, and you will be able to show that GIF on your Steam profile. So that's pretty much all thing. And sometimes adding a GIF file called a custom GIF file will need CSS advanced technique or tricks that actually the advanced users do on their Steam account. So if you got this, if so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.